Hi, I'm Leo and welcome to my YouTube channel Scodemy. This is my sixth video in HTML5, and in this video I'll show you how to insert image or images to your HTML page. Now we start with our doc type declaration, which is HTML. With our HTML opening tag, we'll put our language attribute, which will be set to English. Go to the head, open my tag, and I'll put the title. Let's say inserting image, and I'll put my meta tag. I'll go to the body, put my opening tag. Let me put a header using h1, and let's call this Scodemy. Now I like to put my image in the figure element, so I'll open a figure tag, and I'll put my image tag, which is img. Now I'll put my source. Now the source is either the URL to the image or the location of the image. Now sometimes we don't save our files and the image in the same folder. Now you can see image.html, and there's another folder called img. Now this is where the image is. This is the image I want to use. Now you have to tell your browser that the image is not in the same folder with the code, so it could fetch this image. So I'll go to my source and I'll put img, which is the folder where the image is stored, and I'll put my / and then I'll put the name of the image .jpg. And then when I save and go to my browser, you can see the image is showing. Now there's something else I want to show you. It is called the alt attribute. I'll put my alt attribute. Now you use this, the alt attribute uses words to describe this image, so that if the browser does not load this image, this alt will tell you about the image. Let's say I want it to be Scodemy image. Now let me spell this wrongly so the image will not show. Now when I save and go back and refresh, you can see since the image is not showing, it is telling you it is Scodemy image. Now there's something else I want to show you guys. Whenever there is an error to your code, there are ways to find out, and one of them is to use the inspect here. Now when I go to my inspect, you can see there's an error here. Now you go to your console, and you can see failed to load resource, and it's telling you that the file is not found. Now one thing you have to note is if the name of the file or the location of the file is not shown well, the image will not display. For example, the name of this file is different from the name in the folder, so you can see that's why the image did not show. So now I'll go and correct this, and when I save and go to my browser and reload, you can see the image is showing again. Now you can style up this image. Either you do it here using the inline method. Let's say I want this to be 400 pixels, and I want the height to be 450 pixel. Now when I save and go back to my browser, you can see the image has been resized. Alright, thanks guys. If you enjoyed this video or you want me to continue to post here, please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks and have a lovely day.